Hi again everyone, just another short update. Show you the progress of the hinge. All I did tonight was to cut the two little square blocks that I showed in the last video and form them roughly to the inside arc of the roof. And the next I've marked them, as you can see. Hopefully you can see those little scratch marks. Trying to shine the light on it so it's a little brighter. Sorry about that. Let's see. There we go. You can see I marked it 1/4 inch up from the bottom on the center bar on both sides, and I scratched over across onto the what will be the pivot blocks. So these blocks here that are being held in place with the C-clamps, tomorrow night I will drill both the center bar and the pivot bar for a pivot pin. 1/4 inch brass is probably what I'm going to use. I only need to go in about a 1/2 inch on either side, and that'll be my little pivot. And then I'll drill a couple of holes on the back side of these. For the reason these things stick down further is, as I mentioned, there is a lip inside here that I can grind or mill that away if I need to, but I thought I'd just go ahead and have these a little bit further down so I can put screws from the back side of the cab front that'll hold those bars in place, hold the pivot blocks in place on the end, and then there'll be some screws that'll come down from the top here as well into the top of the pivot bar, so the whole assembly will be able to pivot forward. So there's tonight's update. Once I get those holes drilled and the pivot working, I will post that and show how it works and get it bolted to the cab. Once I finish that, then I can finish it up a little bit, clean them up, get ready for paint, and also put the little miniature hinges in these cab doors. And the cab will basically be done, except for I do want to have some prop that I can use to hold the cab open while I'm operating it. And I saw in the Kozo book, very nice, the A3 switcher had a neat little design for a lid support that maybe I'll make, and that would sit off to the side, one of these sides, so it's out of the way of the boiler and all the appliances on the boiler. I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching, everybody.